Hello everyone, this is introductions class by which we are discussing about the current. So material which allow the electric current to pass through them is called a good conductor of electricity. We are know about the conductor. Conductor the substance which pass current. A current means flow of electron. We are talking about the current. It means the flow of electron in a conductor, known as in a wire or a conductor, known as current, right? But the material which allow this flow of current known as conductor. It's known as conductor, which easily allow it known as good conductor of electricity. And another things, the material which does not allow the electric current to pass through them easily, there's known as poor conductor of electricity, or it's also known as the insulator. So we are talking about the insulator also. So at the next point, materials such as the copper and aluminum are the good conductor of the electricity, where the materials such as the rubber, plastic, woods do not conduct electricity. It means it is a bad conductor of electricity. The flow of electricity in the conductor is due to the free flow of free electrons. Free electrons help in the flow of this current.